Hey curl friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Jazz, and if you saw my last video, I promised you I would be keeping up with the 7 days of how I kept the style and how it got bigger as the week goes on. So this is the end of day 1. I'll do a side by side just to see if it dropped just a little bit more from earlier. And so now I will be tying my hair up, and I will be doing this the entire week. But I do this for all my styles. So I simply just flip my hair over. Kind of push it up a little bit. You want to make sure that all your curls are out and not being smashed. So once you get it around, just pull this piece up. Like so. And this is how I will do that. And let the curls hang from the top. So this is how I will sleep on my either side without compromising my curls. So they'll just freely hang through the top like so. And I will see you all tomorrow on day 2. So good morning. This is technically day 2. I'm about to go run some errands. So I might not look the cutest right now, but I wanted to take this off in real time so you can see what it looks like when I take it off. Do a little shaky shake. And then I kind of just, I'm going to let this, so see, like some pieces are a little more stretched, so it's starting to do its thing, and I'm gonna just let it fall throughout the day, and I'll come back in at the end of the day and let you see how it settles, because I'm not gonna do too much tugging on it right now because it just came out of the scarf. So a little scalp massage, and I'll come back in at the end of the day and show you how it settles. All right, so this is the end of day 2. I just wanted to come back and show you how it settled into place. So you've seen how I tie it up. You've seen how I take it down in the morning. I haven't fluffed my roots out anymore. I'll probably do that tomorrow. So we still got all this good definition.
My tip.
I know it's still a little tight. There's a method to my madness. So let's see what the next day brings. Okay, so I have on my glasses. I know I'm probably looking crazy, but I almost forgot to record this video today. So this is day 3. This is the end of the night. I did not fluff my roots out today at all. It was kind of hot outside, so I just let them do their thing. And as you can see, my curls are still intact. I haven't acquired any additional frizz, a little bit in the top, but as far as the curls go, we're in there. So this is day 3, and I think I am going to fluff it out a little bit more tomorrow, because tomorrow is day 4, which will be Wednesday. So this is what I mean when I say low maintenance. I've just been tying it up and taking my scarf off and letting it fall as they would. Like, I haven't tugged or done anything. I massaged my scalp with some oil, and that's been it. Okay. So I wasn't gonna come on here, but I feel like I was gonna skip today just because I was supposed to record a video today that I did not record. So I'm waiting to fluff my roots out some more till tomorrow. So today is Wednesday. This will be considered day 4. And it's pretty much just the same as yesterday. Like, all my curls are still intact. Like, I'm really tripping on this because this is why I like to do less, because I haven't had to do anything with my hair. I haven't had to re-roll a piece. I haven't had to add product to my hair. I haven't had to do anything since Sunday. So this is why I like to, if I can, do the least amount of separating and fluffing, because you'll see tomorrow when I do go in and fluff these roots, I'm going to give myself a lot more length. But because I didn't do anything today, I didn't do that just because I want it to last as long as possible. So here we are. This is day 4. And these curls still look so good. Tomorrow I'm going to fluff out my roots. I know I was supposed to do that today, but it's all about the curls lasting, right? That's all that matters. So, but as you can see, they are falling a little bit to where I can't really have the bang like I had in the beginning. So I think tomorrow I might flip them over. Never know. But see, because the way I set my hair, I could do a side part tomorrow if I wanted. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. So I know I said I was gonna fluff out my roots for day 5, but I was doing my makeup and I had kind of put a headband on just to push it back. And I was like, this is cute, right? So this is day 5 hair, a little headband, but you see these curls? They are still doing their thing, okay? Y'all see that? One more time. Okay, so yeah, this is day 5. I'm actually really saving it because it's 4th of July weekend. I want to be cute for the weekend. So I'm going to have really big bomb hair this weekend. Just wait. So I pulled my hair up into a pineapple while I was getting ready for the event I went to on Saturday, just to give it a little bit more stretch. So I'm just showing you here what it looked like before I fluffed. And then I feel like it still was looking good, but I wanted to go a little bigger. So here we are. Please excuse my background. Like I said, I was getting ready to go, and you know how that goes. I was rushing. So I was really happy with, you know, still having a lot of curls after really fluffing it. So there you have it for day 7. It is Sunday, so this would be day 8 hair technically, Sunday being day 1 hair. So we made it. I mean, I could easily keep this going, but I'm actually ready to wash my hair. Probably won't wash it until today's Sunday, maybe Tuesday. I'll wash my hair. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. But look at these curls. Look at this. I really couldn't have done it better. This could easily go to a couple more days. So it's the end of the day. I'm tired. I will probably just be throwing this up into a pineapple, and that's where it will stay for the next day or so, honestly. I went to a cookout today, so I'm tired. This is actually, I wanted to get this video up today, but I'm glad I didn't, because then you can see how I ended Sunday to Sunday. So a very long weekend. I'm tired and I'm gonna go to bed now. But I just want, you know, let me know if this is something that you guys could do, because I really feel like if you need to give your hair a break, these are great styles to do in between while you get your hair back in good shape. Because I haven't had to do anything but tie my hair. Like yesterday was the only day like I really went in and fluffed it out to the max. And you know, it could get any bigger, but who needs to do that? So if you like this video, you want to see more videos on how I maintain my hairstyles, comment down below and make sure you hit the like button so YouTube knows that I'm still here. I know I'm gonna keep saying that. You're probably tired. Oh, and also turn on your notifications so you know when I post. Go ahead and do that as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all had a great weekend. Until next time.